Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Let's meet the contestants. Konongo Odumasi Senior High School is represented by it's on.
Udru Rubin.
And
Dixon Kojo Boachi Jia.
Rubin and Dixon, tell us, how has your journey been in the competition?
By God's grace, all that you have been doing has been going well. During the qualifiers, you were able to qualify. During the prelims, we met as Amaikesi and Sunrise. We won that contest too. And we are here to win this contest too.
Okay. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School represented by
Benedict Party Doty.
And
Morty Selinam Kofi.
okay. Benedict and Selinam. Okay. Benedict and Selinam. So Presbyterian Boys are the reigning champions of the NSMQ. And in this contest, they are the seeded school. So tell us, how has your preparation been?
We began with the regional championship, and by God's grace, we emerged victorious. So we are praying that with God by our side, we also emerge victorious today and maintain our seat. Thank you.
So you are regional champions as well? I see. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School represented by
Ajoa Sapon.
and
Obiniwa Keizo Usu Ansa.
Adwa and Kezia. Tell us, how has the journey been?
So far, it has been good. In the preliminary stage, we competed against Eduman SHS and the Northern School of Business. God came through and we won. Today, we are here so God can glorify himself through us.
Okay, so you are all welcome, and I wish you all the best. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, AT, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent Toothpaste, Better Malls, Ghanaian Academic and Research Network, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Cowbell, Bell Beverages, GTP, Newmont Ghana, Africa World Airlines, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Ladies and gentlemen, this contest has 5 rounds. I'll begin from round 1. In this round, questions go to each school. And contestants, you have 10 seconds or 30 seconds within which to give an answer. If you give a correct answer, the school may earn a maximum point of 3. If that answer is incorrect, I may pass the question on for a bonus. This is when the other 2 schools have the opportunity to press the bell and give an answer. If I have not ruled on the answer, do not press the bell. You can only press the bell after I have ruled on the answer. If you do before, I will not call you. Do we understand? Okay. So if you press the bell after I have ruled on the answer, and you give a correct answer, 1 point. If it is incorrect, a deduction of 1 point. For this round, I start from Konongo Odumasi Senior High School, but it's a preamble. In a scientific name, the specific epithet may indicate the origin of the species or describe its. Example, indica for India. State what the given specific epithet stands for. In a scientific name, the specific epithet may indicate the origin of the species or describe it. Example, indica for India. State what the given specific epithet stands for. Konongo Odumasi Senior High School, diffuser. Yes, Ruben.
This part of the scientific name of the organism describes that the organism is widely spread.
Okay, I'll take it. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, Aboria. Selinam.
This indicates that the organism resides on trees.
No. For a bonus. It means tree-like. Kumasi Wesley girls, auriculata. For a bonus, ear-like, or looks like an ear, ear-shaped. Next, a preamble. Expand the binomial expression in descending powers of x. Expand the binomial expression in descending powers of x. Konongo Odumasi Senior High, x plus 1 over x, all of this to the power 3. Yes, Ruben.
X cube plus 3x plus 3 over x plus 1 over x cube.
That's correct. Presbyterian. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Brackets open, x plus 1 over x, brackets close to the power 4. Yes, Benedict.
In descending powers of x, we have x to the power 4 plus 4x squared plus 6 plus 4 over x squared plus 1 over x to the power 4.
Yes. Kumasi Wesley girls. Brackets open. 2x minus 1 over x. Brackets close, all to the power 3. Ajwa.
Okay, we have 8x cubed minus 4x squared x cubed minus 4x plus 6 minus 1 over x exponent 3.
Incorrect. Yes, Presbyterian boys for a bonus.
We have 8x cubed minus 12x plus 6 over x minus 1 on x cubed.
Yes. Another preamble. Would a precipitate form when the given salts are dissolved in an aqueous solution? If yes, give the formula of the precipitate form. Will a precipitate form when the given salts are dissolved in an aqueous solution? If yes, give the formula of the precipitate formed. Konongo Odumasi Senior High. Potassium phosphate and ammonium chloride. Ruben.
A precipitate will be formed, and the formula is KCl.
No. Hey, be careful with my bellow. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
There will be no precipitate formed.
No precipitate. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Ammonium carbonate and barium nitrates. Yes, Selena.
A precipitate will be formed, and the formula is BaCO3.
Yes. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Ammonium nitrates and calcium acetates. Yes, Ajwa.
Precipitate to be formed. No precipitate to be formed.
That is correct. Another preamble. Point charges Q1 and Q2 are distance d apart. Find the electrostatic potential energy of the configuration given that point charges Q1 and Q2 are distance d apart. Find the electrostatic potential energy of the configuration given that Konongo Odumasi. Q1 equals 2.0 microcoulomb. Q2 equals 4.0 millicoulomb. Q2 equals 4.0 millicoulomb and D equals 4.5 meters. Yes, Ruben.
joules.
16 joules. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Q1 equals 3.0 millicoulomb. Q2 equals 8.0 millicoulomb. And D equals 180 meters. Benedict.
1.2 kilojoules.
Yes. Kumasi Wesley girls. Q1 equals 25 microcoulomb. Q2 equals 64 microcoulomb. And D equals 1.5 meters. Is your hand up? Okay.
9.6 kilojoules.
Please give your answer again. That's why you're supposed to keep it in one place.
9.6 kilojoules.
Incorrect. Presbyterian boys for a bonus.
9.6 joules.
That's correct. So, please keep the mics on and at one position. Put your mic on. Yes, and at one position. Yes, don't move them. All right. Another preamble. Select the closely related species from the list given and state why. Select the closely related species from the list given and state why. Konongo Odumasi. Tomatoes, pepper, onion, garden eggs, oil palm fruits. Yes, Ruben.
Okay. The related species are tomato, pepper, and garden eggs. And this is because they all belong to the same class, and looking at their fruit
Sorry,
type,
say that they all belong to
the same class.
Okay.
And looking at their fruit structure, they all have their seeds, like the spurs in them, or mostly they are in the form of berries.
2 out of 3. I'll give the full answer later. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Newt, salamander, toad, and frog. Yes.
You have the newt, toad, and frog. And this is because they are all amphibians.
2 out of 3. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Okro, hibiscus, cocoa, coffee, cocorus.
Related species are cocoa and coffee. And this is because they are all cash crops.
No. Yes, for a bonus. Okay, so for the first one, yes, the related species are tomatoes, pepper, and garden eggs, but they are from the same family, no class. Then for the second one, all of them are amphibians. Then for the third one, it is okra, hibiscus, cocoa, and cockroach. They belong to the same plant family.
I didn't understand that.
Next preamble. Find the coordinates of the stationary point of the given curve. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the given curve. Konongo Odumasi. Y equals x cubed minus 3x plus 6. Yes. Ruben.
The stationary points are 1, 4 and negative 1, 8.
That's correct. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Y equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 7.
Stationary points are 0, negative 7 and negative 2, negative 3.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Y equals x cubed minus 12x plus 16. Yes, Ajwa.
2, 0 and negative 2, 54.
2 out of 3. So it is 2, 0, negative 2, 32, not 54. Another preamble. Given the reduction potential, please, they need 30 seconds for this one. Calculate the standard electrode potential, E0, for the given reaction and indicate whether it is spontaneous or not. Given the reduction potentials, calculate the standard electrode potential, E0, for the given reaction and indicate whether it is spontaneous or not. Konongo Odumasi. Ni plus 2Cu plus going into Ni2 plus 2Cu. And you are given the standard electrode potential for Cu plus going into Cu as plus 0.516 volts, and for Ni2 plus going into Ni as negative 0.248 volts. Yes, Dixon.
The electrode potential is positive 0.764 volts And the reaction is a spontaneous reaction.
That's correct. Presbyterian boys. Two CR plus 3BE2 plus going into 2CR3 plus 3BE. The standard electrode potential for CR3 plus going to CR is negative 0.726 volts, and for BE2 plus going into BE is negative 1.989 volts. Yes, Selena.
The electrode potential is negative 1.263 volts, and the reaction is not spontaneous.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. PB plus 2AU plus going into PB2 plus 2AU. And you are given the standard electrode potential, the reductive potential. AU plus 2AU is plus 1.678 volts, and PB2 plus 2PB is negative 0.129 volts. Yes, Adjoa.
The reaction is spontaneous, and the EMF is positive 1.707 volts.
One out of three. 1 out of 3. So yes, the reaction is spontaneous, but the E naught is plus 1.807 volts. The last set of questions for round 1. A uniform sphere of radius r and mass m spins about a diameter with angular frequency omega. A uniform sphere of radius r and mass m spins around the diameter with angular frequency omega. Konongo, Odumasi Senior High. Find the moment of inertia of the sphere if r equals 0.020 meters and m equals 0.20 kilograms. Ruben. Okay, Dixon.
We have 3.2 by 10 exponent negative 5 kilogram meter square.
Correct. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Find the kinetic energy of the sphere if its moment of inertia is 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 5 kilogram meter squared, and angular frequency equals 7.5 times 10 to the power 2 rad per second. Yes, Benedict.
We have 9.0 joules.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Find the kinetic energy of the sphere if its moment of inertia is 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 5 kilogram meter square, and angular frequency equals 5.0 times 10 to the power 2 rad per second.
.0 joules.
Incorrect. Yes, Presbyterian boys for a bonus.
4.0 joules.
That's correct. And that ends round 1. need to address some petitions. The first set of biology questions for Presbyterian boys, Arborea, and the answer I had was tree-like, and they gave me recites on trees. Consultant says the answer should be accepted. So they get 3 points. 3 points. Then the next set of questions, mathematics. The protest I have is the answer given by Presbyterian boys was incorrect. So we listened, and they did give me the right answer. So the bonus stands. Then the second set of biology questions to Presbyterian boys, I gave the partial credits for the reason they gave me, not for the selection. Please, let's get it right. Okay, thank you. So, at the end of round 1, Kumasi Wesley girls, 6 points. Konongo Odumasi Senior High School, 20 points. And Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, 27 points. Round 2. Round 2. Round 2. In this round, we have the PEP student speed race, where all where all the questions go to the schools simultaneously. The first to press the bell and give a correct answer, 3 points. The second to press the bell to give a correct answer, 2 points. And the third to press the bell to give a correct answer, 1 point. All incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 point. Please, this is speed race. So when you ring the bell, I am assuming your answer is ready. So if I see you writing, you are telling me your answer is not ready. So ensure you have your answer before you press the bell, because if I see you writing, I will not take your answer. Another thing, do not start with the value of x is the equation equals, I already have the question, just give me the answer. If it is 5, it is 5. If it is ATM, ATM. That's what I want. Don't read back the question to me. Do you understand? Next, I know the rules are plenty, but listen. Next, when you ring the bell, you have 3 seconds within which to start giving your answer, or you hear this bell. When you hear this bell, it means I'm moving on. I'm not listening to you anymore. I'm moving on. Are we on the same page? Okay. The Pepsodent Speed Race is sponsored by Pepsodent Toothpaste. Every smile matters. Question 1. What structure in paramecium is responsible for osmoregulation? Konongo Odumasi.
The contractile vacuum.
That's correct. Next question. Next question. Name the process in living organism that is instrumental in eliminating atmospheric carbon dioxide? Konongo, Odumasi.
Respiration.
Incorrect. Who pressed next? 3. Yes, Wesley girls.
Expiration.
Incorrect. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Next question. Give the start codon for protein synthesis in humans. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
UGA.
Incorrect. Yes, Wesley girls, Kumasi.
UAG.
Incorrect. It is AUG. Next question. Express 71 as a difference of 2.
It's 36 squared minus 35 squared.
Yes. Next question. I will read through the noise, and they will not hear me. Thank you. Next question. Given vectors A equals 2I plus 5j and B equals 3I minus 2j, find constants m and n such that MA plus NB equals I plus 12j. Presbyterian boys.
M equals 2 and N equals -1.
Yes. Next question. Next question. A fair die is tossed 3 times. Find the probability the first toss is a head. Presbyterian boys.
Probability is 3/8.
Incorrect. Yes, Konongo, Odumasi.
1/2.
1/2. Next question. At 25 degrees Celsius, the solubility product of an aqueous solution of... Those at the top, leave. Leave right now. Okay. Next question. At 25 degrees Celsius, the solubility product of an aqueous solution of lead 2 chloride is 4 times 10 to the power negative 9. Determine the value of the molar solubility. Yes, Selina.
1 by 10 to the power negative 3 mole per dm cubed.
Incorrect. Of chloride ions in solution. Gehe, sorry.
1.0 times 10 exponent negative 3 mole per dm cube.
No. Yes.
2 by 10 exponent negative 3 mole per dm cube.
Yes. Next question. Assuming some people want to go out again. Assuming complete dissolution, what mass of magnesium hydroxide must be dissolved in 80.0 centimeter cube of solution to obtain a concentration of 0.500 mole? Yes, Konongo Odumasi.
0.82 grams.
Incorrect. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
It is 2.32 grams.
Yes. Next question. How many hydrogen atoms are present in 3,4-dibromo-1-pentene? Konongo Odumasi Senior High. Ruben.
15.
No. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
8.
8. Next question. Find the lifetime of a radioactive specimen whose activity decreases from 64 megabecquerel to 2 megabecquerel in 25 seconds. Yes, Konongo Odumasi. Leave the...
We have 5 seconds.
Incorrect. Presbyterian boys?
7 seconds.
Incorrect. It's 7.2 seconds. Next question. Find the greatest thermal efficiency a heat engine can have if it operates between a heat source at 750 Kelvin and a heat sink at 300.
50%.
Yes. The last question for round 2. Find the resistance of a motor running with a current of 0.5 ampere, given that the applied voltage is 12 volt. Yes.
24 ohms.
Incorrect. The applied 3. Sorry.
12 volts.
Incorrect. Given that the applied voltage is 12 volts and the back EMF is 8 volts. Yes, Presbyterian boys?
8 ohms.
8 ohms is correct. And that ends round 2. last one. No, the first physics question. Yes, in the question, one of them was to one significant figure. So the 7 seconds should be the right answer. So Pesek gets 2 points. The math question, there was an issue with the question. So I am going to replace it. Yes. And you know the rules. Once I'm replacing all of you, it's for all of you. All right? Find the quadratic function f of x such that f of 1 equals f of negative 3 equals 0. Yes.
X squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0.
Incorrect. Yes. Kumasi Wesley girls.
X squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0.
Incorrect. And f of negative 1 equals negative 4. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
F of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3.
Yes. And that ends round 2. At the end of round 2, Kumasi Wesley Girls High School, 1 point. Konongo Odumasi Senior High School, 18 points. And Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, 43 points. Round 3. Round 3, the problem of the day round. At stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. The NSMQ Star is awarded to a school that earns a perfect score of 10 out of 10 for the problem of the day. A star at this stage is worth 2,400 cedis to the team. So for problem of the day, you have one complex question, and contestants, you have 4 minutes to provide a solution on the interactive screens behind you. After the 4 minutes, I will grade your solutions, present the solution from the consultant, and award the marks. The NSMQ Star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. Contestants, please go to the whiteboard on the screens. All right. Then put your pens down. You can now pick up the sheets. Then we'll go through the problem of the day. Please face the audience. A. Evaluate the trigonometric expression I, 1 over root 2 cos 15 degrees minus 1 over root 2 sine 15 degrees. II, 1 plus tan 15 degrees all over 1 minus tan 15 degrees. And B, solve in radians the equation sine of x plus pi over 3 all equal to 2 cos x in the interval x greater than 0 but less than 2 pi. This is the problem of the day. Contestants, you have 4 minutes. Start now. stop writing. So, we have the solutions from the contestants. Let's go through the solution from the consultants. A, evaluate 1 over 2 cos 15 minus 1 over root 2 sine 15. So this one becomes cos 45 cos 15 minus sine 45 sine 15. And this will be equal to cos 45 plus 15. That's equals to cos 60 equals, and that should be half. If you're able to do that, 2 marks. Then the second one, 1 plus tan 15 divided by 1 minus tan 15. 1 is equal to tan 45. So it becomes tan 45 plus tan 15, all divided by 1 minus tan 45 multiplying tan 15. And this also equals tan 60. And that should give you root 3. If you're able to do that, 3 points. Then B. Solve in radians the equation sine x plus pi over 3 equals 2 cos x in the interval x greater than 0 but less than 2 pi. So sine of x plus pi over 6 equals sine cos pi over 6 plus cos x sine pi over 6. And this becomes root 3 over 2 sine x plus 1 over 2 cos x equals 2 cos x. So if you evaluate that, you will get root. If you're able to get to that 1 point, then if you're able to do the expansion, another point. So from that expression, we can get root 3 sine x equals 4 minus 1 cos x equals 3 cos x. And if you divide by sine x, you will get tan x equals 3 over root 3. And so tan x is equal to root 3. Therefore, x, if you do that, 1 mark. So therefore, the values of x are pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3, 2 marks. Now the solutions from our contestants. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. So they did not attempt A. They started from B. And they just moved straight to root 3 over 2 sine x plus half cos x equals 2x from the expression. So I gave 2 out of 10. Presbyterian boys. So they use a different approach for I, and B. But in the arithmetic, they made a mistake. So instead of cos 60 equal to half, they wrote 0. So for I, they get 1 point. Then for I, that's where they got lost, because they forgot that 1 is the same as tan 45. Life would have been very easy for you. So for substituting the values, I'll give 1 for I. Then for B, they were on the right track. They were able to do the expansion, so 1 mark for that. But when they moved to root 3 over 2 sine x plus half cos x equals 2 cos x, they wrote root 3 over 2 cos x plus half sine x equals 2 cos x. And it affected the whole thing. So 1 mark for B, so they get 3 out of 10. Konongo, Odumasi. They also use the approach that Presbyterian boys use, but they did the correct arithmetic, so they arrived at half. So they get 2 points. They continued with that same, but I told you, things become so complex for you, you can't continue. So I also gave 1 for II, and the same for B. They did the expansion, but no, it wasn't correct. So just for giving the signs, the values, I also gave 1 for that, so they get 4 out of 10. So, in the solution, there was a mishap. It should be sine x plus pi over 3, not sine x plus pi over 6. So if you use sine x plus pi over 3, the expansion should be sine x cos pi over 3 plus cos x sine pi over 3. And that should be half sine x plus root 3 over 2 cos x equals 2 cos x. And that Presec gave me, so they get 1 point. So that's where they got to. They didn't continue. So they'll get 4 out of 10. Then, no, wait. Yes. Then Wesley Girls High, Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. So they will get 1 point because of the interchanging. They'll get 1 point for doing the expansion. But before we go on, so they'll get 1 out of 10. And Konongo Odumasi still gets the 4 out of 10. But before we go on, in the round one, when I called the biology question, when I called the consultant, he said the answer should be accepted. But he called back that arboreal is different from arboreal. Arboreal means on trees, living on trees. Arboreal means tree-like. There are 2 different things, so I would have to take my points back. Yes. It's a learning process, so we are all learning. All right? Thank you. What? High School, 2 points. Konongo Odumasi Senior High School, 22 points. And Presbyterian Boys, 44 points. So, round 4. Substitution. For Konongo Odumasi Senior High, Peter Edu Akwa is coming in for Ruben Odro. Round 4. In this round, I pose a statement to each school, and you have 10 seconds to let me know whether the statement I made is true or false? Correct answer, 2 points. An incorrect answer, a deduction of 1 point. If you think you don't know, leave it. Don't answer. If the other two schools, they think they know, they can ring the bell, and I will give it to them as a bonus statement. If they give a correct answer, 2 points. If it is incorrect, a deduction of 1 point. I'll start from Konongo Odumasi, but it's a preamble. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to functions of the plasma membrane. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to functions of the plasma membrane. Konongo Odumasi, assisting in chromosome segregation.
False.
False. Presbyterian boys. Presbyterian boys, energy transduction. Yes.
False.
Incorrect. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Intercellular interactions. Yes, Kezia.
False.
No. Konongo Odumasi. Konongo Odumasi. 2 sine inverse of 1 equals cos inverse of -1. Yes, Peter.
True.
True. Presbyterian boys. Presbyterian boys. 3 sine inverse of 1. 3 tan inverse of 1 equals cos inverse of -1 over √2. Benedict.
True.
It's true. Kumasi Wesley Girls. 2 sine inverse of √3 over 2 equals tan inverse of -√3. Kezia.
True.
No. Konongo Odumasi. Konongo Odumasi. All amines are derivatives of ammonia.
True. True.
Yes, it's true. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Amines may be classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary based on the number of carbon atoms bonded to the nitrogen atom. Yes. Selenam.
True.
It's true. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Amines are water soluble, irrespective of the number of carbon atoms present.
True.
No. Konongo Odumasi SHS. Konongo Odumasi SHS. The radius of curvature of a convex spherical mirror is negative. Yes, Peter?
True.
It's true. Presbyterian boys. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. The center of curvature of a convex spherical mirror lies in front of the mirror. Yes.
True.
No. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. The diameter of a convex spherical mirror equals half the magnitude of the radius of curvature of the mirror. Yes, Kezia?
False.
False. A preamble. A preamble indicates whether the following are true or false with respect to features common to persons suffering from kwashiorkor and persons suffering from marasmus. I'll take it again. Indicates whether the following are true or false with respect to features common to persons suffering from kwashiorkor or persons suffering from marasmus. Konongo Odumasi, thinning of limbs.
True.
Yes. Presbyterian boys. Presbyterian boys. Voracious appetites. Yes, Selinam.
False.
No. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. Wasting of muscles. Yes, Kezia.
False.
No. Konongo Odumasi. You can hear me, right? Okay. Konongo Odumasi, SHS. X minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Yes, Peter.
True.
It's true. Presbyterian boys. X plus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9. Yes, Benedict.
True.
True. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. X minus 5 is a factor of x cubed minus 4x squared minus 20. Kezia.
False.
False. Konongo Odumasi. Allotropes comprise different forms of different elements that have the same physical state but different characteristics.
False.
False. Presbyterian boys. Allotropes of the same elements have identical properties and characteristics. Selinam.
False.
False. Kumasi Wesley Girls. Allotropes are different structural forms of the same element in the same physical state. Kezia.
True.
It's true. The last set of statements for round 4. Konongo Odumasi. If two objects are separated by a heat-conducting metallic wall, they are in thermal contact.
True.
It's true. Presbyterian boys. If two objects are in thermal contact, they exchange energy by heat transfer. Selinam.
True.
It's true. Kumasi Wesley Girls High School. If two objects are in thermal contact, they are in thermal equilibrium. Kezia.
False.
It's false. And that ends round 4. At the end of round 4, Kumasi Wesley Girls High School, 6 points. Konongo Odumasi Senior High School, 38 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, 51 points. Round 5. In this round, we have the Gold Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that solves 3 or 4 riddles correctly. At this stage of the competition, if you solve 3 riddles correctly, the team gets 1,002. If you solve 4 riddles correctly, the team gets 1,600. So in this round, I'll be reading a set of clues to one particular thing, and you can stop me at any time if you think you know what I'm talking about by ringing your bell. If the answer you give is correct whilst I'm on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. Our responses are first described as light responses in higher plants that are induced by red lights and reversed by a subsequent pulse of far red lights. Yes, Konongo Odumasi.
Phytochrome.
Phytochrome is correct. 3 points. Next riddle. Next riddle. I am a geometric measure. I am a measure of a specific geometric figure. I am a measure of content or capacity. The geometric figure has an apex point and it sits on a circular platform. Yes, Konongo Odumasi.
Cone.
Incorrect. Each point on the perimeter of the circle is connected to the apex point. I am given by one.
Volume of a cone.
Yes. The next riddle, 3 points, 3 points. The next riddle. I am a strongly oxidizing salt. I am used in explosives and fireworks. I am a compound made up of potassium, oxygen, and chlorine. Yes, Konongo Odumasi.
Potassium tetraoxochloride 7.
Incorrect. In the lab, I am prepared by the reaction of sodium chlorate and potassium chloride. When heated, I decompose. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
Potassium trioxochlorate 5.
Yes. 3 points. 3 points. The last riddle. I am a physical quantity. I am a rate. I am a scalar quantity. For a given force, I equal the scalar product of force and velocity.
Power.
Power is correct. 3 points. And that ends round 5. At the end of the contest, Kumasi Wesley Girls High School, 6 points. Konongo Odumasi Senior High School, 41 points. And Presbyterian Boys Secondary School win with 60 points. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Congratulations, Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, for winning this contest. And the good news is you've qualified for the quarter-final stage. You were able to answer 3 riddles correctly, so you get 1,200 cedis. If your score had been the highest for the day, you could have won the 80 highest scorer award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 cedis. The 80 highest scorer award is sponsored by AT Life is Simple. Do make it a point to join us when we bring you the next contest. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, AT, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent Toothpaste, Better Malt, Ghanaian Academic and Research Network, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Cowbell, Bell Beverages, GTP, Newmont Ghana, Africa World Airlines, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Thank you.